Oh yeah, I wanted to.
Bro, the music from your stream was so faint. I thought it was like coming from somewhere else. I was like, this sounds familiar.
Nah, it's top tier quality provided by. Why did I put private stream on my YouTube, bruh? I thought I've saved it already with. Well, no. All right, let's see. I think everything is up and running. Everything is good. Yeah, yellow pig. Okay, Harold. First of all, do you got any good? I should take a new snippet quickly for this also. Do you have any good resources on multiplayer?
Nah, I have my brain, that's my resource.
That's pretty fire. No, I was just thinking for the... I cannot find progress there. For the... If I should read something, but... Yeah. Guess I will just have to do...
Nah, bro, reading is not the solution, bro. I'm basically... bro, I learned all my networking from just looking at some shit and just getting a tiny bit of help in the Zig Discord server.
That's crazy. I cannot move this one, like... Can I... Okay, I can do that. Lucas, give you... you are lacking much pixel on the image of video. I don't know, timer? I don't know. No, it's the stream quality. I don't know, my internet not doing that great. But it's okay. Anyways. Let's see. I wanted to open up this thing. I don't feel too good. It's okay. Yeah, multiplayer. Harold, what do you think about the idea of let's see, my brain is actually not right now working. Wait. I want to do this. Yes, that's what I want to do. I don't know if it matters a little bit. So we got actually probably my brain is having such a weird time processing what I'm doing right now. Okay, so we have sources, we have the net. I should go check out the server. And this one should have a slightly different net file. No, okay, it's stashed apparently. Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter. Should I think I asked you last time already, but I have forgotten. In the build system, should we build the server and client at the same time?
No. I mean, what you really should do is have two binaries, two separate things. Or you could also do it another way, which is you like swap out the main file, so you have a client main and a server main. But that's really funky. But you could also have a build option, which is like if it is the server, and if it is the server, we do some other stuff, you know. You know.
The
Well,
thing,
no, you should probably have a separate executable.
because the thing is where it would be really a separate executable, definitely, but like what it would be really convenient is to, if I change the ECS, I would compile with the same ECS that I have in here, you know.
Yeah, but you can still access things. You can import them if you make the server and the client. You can also make a common thing. I mean, I'd probably split up the source in like client, server, and common can have stuff in between, and the build for the server and the client can have like a module, like both of them have a module into the common or something.
Wait, let's see.
Okay, shared is
Share this
better.
video. Yeah, let's
Actually,
see. Actually, I'm gonna
yeah.
send here.
I wonder if my icon pack has something for that.
Battery Sigma. Can I ask?
Yeah, it does. That's why.
Someone. Okay, actually, with someone, it's more. It's Ernesto or Lorenzo who would be preferable for this kind of task, because they're redesigning, right, the core structure of the. They're integrating their own renderer, like switching out mine and taking in theirs, and then putting my features into it. So I would like to ask them about what they think, because they would also kind of know, they have also designed their own kind of thing. So, but I think I will ask them do this about to do the server client thingy. Yeah, it's very what do I, bro? I don't feel good at all. But no, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. Okay. I hope. Any thoughts about the separation of files? I think that. Well, see, I will just leave it open-ended like that, and then if they have any ideas, they will probably say something. Server client shared. Okay, well, there we have at least cheesecake. Man. Yeah, okay. Well, is there also like how to split it or
Yeah, bro, this is the way to do it.
client
Yeah, bro, you
server.
don't gotta search it. You can trust us.
Trust you, bro. Last time I trusted you, it worked.
And
I mean, someone must have kind of thought about this. You have separate teams working on each piece, no keeping them together, splitting them apart. Okay, I think this is okay. Game engine. I'm gonna check actually the. Wow, it couldn't load any slower. No, it couldn't. Okay. I didn't provide the links here. Oh, God. Let me quickly grab that, because I think they might have actually that in Let's see. Game, client, build, source, build, shared source. Okay, that would not be too bad. It would be ugly to manage multiple build.zip files. Well, that's also true. One build Zig in the root. I agree with
Okay.
this. What about build? I want to share. I think it was this thing I wanted to take a look at. Yes. Not even ugly, it's basically impossible to manage multiple big files. I prefer separate build system, but I'm open to discussion. Okay. I worry. I should. Okay, wait. Fuck.
I think what I sent is like the best. So we have the game, then we have the build.sig there, and we can have a option for it to be the server. And then in the source we have subfolders that are client server shared, you know?
That looks good.
I think that's the best way to do it.
So,
yeah.
I also wanna.
Great, everyone's happy with that?
Yeah.
Fantastic. And also my like icon pack has it has like icons for basically all of this, so it's so funny.
Oh.
Yeah, sure.
Contribute to pleasure Sigma, crazy.
Like, bro.
Wait, what? Let me see. Your stream?
Yeah,
Brother,
sure, can look at it, but
it's a black screen.
Like, things I can do.
It's loading.
On it.
It's loading. Okay, I'm watching now. Now we can see.
Okay. Yes, you're into it. You see, I have icon packs for this. I also technically I'm doing another thing, but I can use the 3D game, and then it's
no, that's crazy.
But you see, I even have like icons for this. I mean, look at that now. How nice this are.
I should add that to my Neo
view. Do like when. Yeah, but when you want to compile the server, you would do like Zig build server. You know, or you could do. I think we can also have client, but we would also have client as the default, I assume.
Default should.
You could also probably do build all or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, but having a build option, and build options are like really easy. Like you see the runs up here. This is a build option, like a step.
Yeah.
You see, like the run, and then yeah, I mean it's basically like that.
Okay.
And you could do Zig build, I guess client run, or you could do server run also. Having sub steps, which should be not too bad.
Okay, but that could be pretty crazy. Let's see. Oh wait, Lawrence sent something. Okay, wait, what happened?
Yeah.
Took a look at the render today from Cideros. I prefer this one. Yes. Wait, the same one. Yeah, that one. People seems to like that one more. Cideros using Vulkan or OpenGL can be improved a lot, so I'd rather rewrite it. Oh my god, Lorenzo, no. Well, I guess I think it would be like the, I don't know, nth time that he improves it. Please search a bit of shader objects. That is the best extension ever. All you need is the device shader object, shader feature, physical next. I can't honestly work.
One thing, Lucas, have you pushed everything that you've done lately?
Yeah, they are current.
There's no like uncommitted changes.
No, there's no everything that is But if Lorenzo would also like he wants to work on the render or improve it, and Ernesto is also working. Well, they are working on integrating their stuff too. Yeah. So this is remove the WASM VM. Wait, let's copy Citrus platform specific code first. Remove the WASM VM. Yes, exactly. Let's see, and take only some parts of the renderer. I'm the greatest graphics program that ever lived. I have to figure out what. I don't even know what this is. Shader. I literally know everything about Vulkan.
Lucas,
so.
one thing. The planetary Sigma stuff. You have committed everything, and it's not on a separate branch or anything.
No, it's on the master branch.
Okay, great. Because you can look at my stream, and I'll actually clean up this organization here. Because I don't want to let you do this, because I know how terrible it's gonna go then.
Wait, let me because
it's gonna be absolute awful.
But right now they're talking strategy about how to go about this renderer, so I want to be part and just make sure that it's coordinated. Just greatest programmer. I'm just the greatest graphics programmer that ever lived. I'm not as cool as him. No one is as cool. Anyways, so I'm just gonna ping Lorenzo, and is working on getting stuff from Sideros to.
What the hell? Bro, why is this? Why did you add this into the roots?
Don't worry about it. The way that.
What is
that? Also, since game logic is not too complex, I
code.
just use a bunch of STD multi-array list for the ECS. It's not like we will end up having dynamic entities, I guess. What is multi-array list in this case?
It's a type.
No, well, Harold, please.
Yeah, it's a type.
It's an array list for array list, basically. It's good for DOD. Okay, wait. So Lorenzo and I were working on getting stuff from Sideros to Planetary Sigma. Would like to improve the renderer. It's SOE. Okay, arrays of structures. Yeah. It's a structure of array that acts as an array of structures. That's crazy. It is. Yeah, sure. Okay, it's structure of array instead of array of. Wait, what? No, now you guys are telling mixing stuff. Bro, they will completely fucking rewrite it, bro. Wait, what? Wait. I mean, think my EC is quite fire. Yeah, I agree. Harold's ECS is pretty fire.
Yeah.
Wait, by the way, about network, are you choosing TCP or UDP? I think. Well, actually, Harold.
TCP, bro.
It depends. I will try TCP first. If it comes to that it's too slow, then we'll change to UDP. But I think what we're trying to do, TCP should be fine. We are not sending too much information. Well, it will be later on probably, and then we'll change it. But just to get the basic thing working, we'll go with TCP first. It's easier, don't have to think about it too much. Note that me and Ernesto are going to use Molten. Wait, what? Oh yeah, right, because macOS. What if we abstract the graphics API a bit and also add metal? Oh my god, no! No!
Yes, bro. Interfaces. Lucas, let's just remove everything that you've written, alright? I think this is easier to start from scratch, bro. Like, actually.
Well, just do what he says with necessary, just what we need. Okay. Also, the considers only have multiple build targets. You can copy the code from there, like the build options and stuff, using the Google thing. What? Interfaces, render interfaces. I think it better nah, Vulkan. It should be very easy to add rendering backend, in my opinion, but with adding too much abstraction, actually, yes, render interface might work. Yes, but share render instead. Let's vote for Lucas to start over. No. What the fuck is...
Literally everyone else was yes. Yes. Oh, that's so fire. Everyone was yes. I saw it happen in real time, bro.
How much did you pay them? What? For single?
A lot.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's remake everything, am I right? Shall I set up?
You don't
set
want to leave the
project
poor Mac
structure?
guys with only 4 samples for MSA. Yes, I do. We don't even do 1. I like the Lucas project though, evil. Even if the code was a shit, it was Lucas code, it was all was the Lucas code.
Yeah, that's the bad thing about it. That's the bad thing.
Oh man, this live stream became more about planning and strategizing than it became about actually implementing multiplayer right now.
Yeah, but it's fine.
I think TCP is enough.
Yeah, okay.
For
So
now,
Lucas,
yeah.
shall we restart? You know what? You can make a new GitHub then. You know?
No, but it's Planetary Sigma is the name,
You
alright?
can call it Planetary Sigma 2.
That
Yeah,
works.
Planetary Sigma 2.
Bro, no. We are no.
Okay.
We are not. I'm fine with changing out a lot of this. Well, I guess. Nah. I mean, we can pretty much stitch together a lot of the components from both projects. Let's fuck this up. Nah.
Yeah, bro, you are not doing the organization. We have seen how that has gone the last 3 times. You've done 3 projects in Zig, and all of them have been, yeah.
No. Wait, can we get? I'm still convinced that Wasm JIT is not that crazy of an idea, by the way. I think it's pretty. Actually, it's pretty nice, but I think it's better for mod support when you need people with unpredictable kind of ideas to contribute. But when we all have access to the source code, I think hot reloading is still the. I don't know, man. I think it's better to start on Sig 0.0 and then stay there when it's stable. Nah, yeah. Need a whole backend. Let's go with normal hot reload using it. That SO. Yeah. Ah. You want to write hot reloading? Must. Shut the fuck up. Lucas makes it. Come on.
Yeah, bro, if I were to do hot reloading, I think it could be clean. Well, no, it wouldn't be clean, but it would be usable. At least.
The renderer. From Sideros into planetary. Oh, everyone here. Wait, what happened? I would be very mad about doing hot reloading. Everyone here, the entire C community is on its ass. Ban this guy. Scratch it. Yes, this. The whole renderer? That hello, penguin operator. In that case, how? Wait. So do we take anything? Big hill. I need to know kind of if they want to rewrite the whole thing. I don't read the live chat if somebody sends messages there. It's too confusing to keep track of two chats. So. Right. We'll see, AB. God damn it. Help me. Jesus, nobody answers the question. Okay, now I'm gonna read this. Lucas, Citrus already has multiple build targets. You can copy the code from there. It's okay, well, okay, what's that? These. Not right now. Okay, guys, let's just restart it. Shut the fuck up, Harold. Okay. Can you guys...
No, I think everyone wants that.
No, it's just you. We're replacing modules instead.
Is that just me? Well, let's do a little poll.
They don't understand the vision of making it worse. Okay.
Yeah, no one understands the vision, Lucas.
No, but I want to. Jesus. Who voted? Harold, you're the only one who voted on the kill Lucas.
Yeah.
From Bill.
I like that there is yes and there is yeah.
Who else voted? Cheesecake, Jesus. I'm still voting no on this one. Hey, somebody gotta take mine. Okay, it's just you guys. See, the other guys don't even want to vote anymore because they just know that you guys are just.
Because how many percent have voted yes for restarting everything?
Well, it's only you and Cheesecake, and you don't count. Okay.
Yeah, tell me the percentage. Say it. Say my name. Say
yeah,
it.
copying things, I agree.
How many percent might that be?
But okay.
Bro, let's restart everything, please. Please, I'm praying to the Facebook AI generated Jesus.
Protest against Lucas. Harold is our king. What the fuck? Where's my vote? Where's Lucas's king? Okay, but guys,
that's not even an alternative.
This is getting a bit sidetracked though.
No.
Guys, please keep it still though to the.
It's removing our votes.
Okay, this one is fine though, but keep it to the. actually task at hand though. Literally 1984. Okay, but so wait, we have Ernesto here with us. The thing is, if you start completely from scratch, it's gonna be really hard to kind of like.
Well, we can still copy over some things.
No.
We can still copy over like things like physics and shit like that, but we just gotta start over the architecture.
Okay, wait. Can Lorenzo join call? Because I think he is like really. If
No,
we do a
what?
clean slate.
Lorenzo, please
Nice.
side with me in cheesecake. We should.
Oh,
we should start
okay,
over,
great.
Sort of like 90%
Okay.
start over.
So
I'm driving, so I don't know how you hear me, but
then
alright.
maybe
Pretty good.
maybe focus on your driving. I think that's how long until you're in a place where you don't drive. A car crash. Yeah, for real.
Car crash. Oh no, that's crazy. Bro waking up from the car crash and just hearing us yap like.
No.
so what's up?
How long until you're in a place where you're not driving?
Okay, then I'm not driving now.
Okay, it's not driving anymore, guys.
He's not driving, guys. Bro crashed for real.
Yeah, it's lying in the ditch right now.
Okay, but then I will put the chat to the side, and if I could do that, would be great. Wait, let me see. Not like that. Oh my god, I can't get whatever. The chat is now there. Okay. Okay, because I was thinking we can copy a lot of the code from both code bases if you do a clean start, which we could do.
Yeah, sure, buddy. But just let me do the architecture of this, alright? The folder structure, the build, alright? Let me handle that shit. You ain't gonna touch that ever.
But what?
Well, I would copy like straight copy the platform specific code from zeros.
Okay. Could well, you can't do it right now, but could Ernesto be able to do that? So we could. I mean, I mean, yes, good. We can do that in stream right now. Yeah. Wait, I can. You could actually. What you could do. Yeah. So we could still use the same repo. We just overwrite the master branch and then keep legacy planetary sigma as a separate branch.
You should move.
I have to put gas in the car. I'll be right back.
All right.
Okay. But Lucas, what we should do is make a new branch called like old or some shit, and then we.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm thinking. I'm checking out to. I'm doing a legacy branch.
Okay.
Ernesto
And
can.
if you want, I can do that.
Okay. Yeah, you can.
Right.
Can you
legacy is yeah.
call it just legacy planetary sigma? It's just funny. And Ernesto,
I just call it legacy, but sure.
could you? Are you fine with stream sharing your screen on stream? And I could see what you do for the platform specific stuff.
Right, legacy branch created.
I think you can write it yourself. I mean, I mean like for Sideros, because I'm not really entirely sure what we help you plan. Well, I mean, I could also just do it, but the thing is, like, I'm not entirely sure what do you guys have that is. How are you learning otherwise? Well, okay. I mean, it would be speed efficient. I'm not concerned about the learning. I know I got you guys. I can learn the stuff that I need to learn when we go, but I think right now we got so many people who are waiting to do something that I shouldn't be the bottleneck.
But you are because of auto reloading.
Shut up,
So it's
auto
auto
reload
reloading,
is
and then
the
everyone
way.
just starts.
You guys don't
It's
understand.
auto reloading.
Hello, Arctic
No, we
Lamartic.
do.
You can copy this, but wait. So, oh wait, so you do okay, no. So I was thinking like specifically just like so you're just talking about build system specifics, not something that goes on in the like I was thinking, do you have already like a complete like main setup with specific choices for when you create the window and the renderer?
Alright guys, you're yapping too much. I'm just gonna do this now.
Yeah, the sitters
So
one.
all this is trash, right? We can basically remove it all.
Yeah, you can, except for the README and code owners. And don't delete the QRender doc. And the git ignore, don't remove the git ignore either.
Yeah, well, I can remove the source, or
Yeah, you can.
should I remove the source?
Yeah, because we got the legacy branch.
I mean, saying
so...
the legacy.
Yeah.
I'm not removing assets either, though, because
Yeah, those are pretty fire
it
as
might be
well.
good to have those.
The serious one.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm trying to get Ernesto to get the Sideros platform-specific stuff, and we will go from there. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Ernesto, remember that I implemented input handling today, so you have to pull if you had it already locally.
Oh shit. Oh, hello. New person. We don't have the bot working, but I will grant you just level 1 like that.
Also, Lucas, you can look at my stream and like say if you like it or no.
Wait, Ernesto is doing also, this might be a bit, okay. Ernesto is also streaming. Okay.
I'm not gonna like do much in the build except like do some easy setup here.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, no worries. Okay, so... Oh wait, my GitHub name is it's LU Eklund. So LU capital almost capital L, and then instead of a C it's a K and capital E. So capital U, capital and capital E, and then U instead of A. Yes, you there. Yeah, perfect. I should probably change it so people would know, but I think I pushed the binary by accident to the repo. Hello, Gilded. We are doing a little bit of sorry? We are doing a little bit of people voted that they okay. Starting from the ground up kind of thing. Lorenzo wants to redo the renderer, and Cheesecake would also be up for it. So I guess we will do the redo the renderer, and yeah. New branch name. I think. Harold, did you push the legacy branch?
Yeah, I pushed it.
Yeah. Then you can push it.
I would really just recommend. I
Because
would really recommend looking at my stream and seeing if you like the thing.
yeah, wait. Because Ernesto is doing the. Okay, wait. How should we do this right now? But Ernesto, you're thinking of. I haven't started. Okay, yes. Okay, Harold will do the changes on how the new file structure will be, and then he will push it to master, so the master will be clean, and then you can put in the Sidero stuff into the master. And then we'll go from there.
Yeah, I mean, that sounds great. How can I see if...
I don't think... how much... Okay, can you just do enough so the structure is correct? Because I think we will take some of the build stuff from Sideros as well. Or am I wrong, Ernesto?
Yeah. No, we'll do it, but like, what I'm trying to do is so we can do Zig build client and Zig build server.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
I will port only for platform dependent stuff. Okay. Okay.
How much platform dependent stuff do we even like have, or like what?
Basically windowing, input handling, and stuff like that.
Okay, so we're not using like GLSW or STL here.
No. The raw system API calls that give you a VK surface.
Why would we not just use SDL or GLFW?
SL is kind of trash. Yeah, it does. But I could actually handle the X11 stuff because I actually have an X11 client that works and should work with Vulkan because Vulkan is really
X11
nice.
is already implemented.
Okay, great. But I mean, you're using XCB. My shit doesn't use that. I mean, mine is fully Zig, you know, no libc. Anyways.
Oh, like you have a X protocol implementation in Zig?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's
right now I use XCB, Wayland, and macOS Objectives Scheisse.
Yes, exactly. The Scheisse there, yeah.
I don't know what they were on when they designed that language, honestly.
Crack.
Probably, yes.
Probably. Okay. So, okay. I'm gonna go to the Trello while Harold's still doing a bit of that sketching part over there. And let's redesign some area of what people will do. So let's see. Harold is doing the basic setup. Then we will port. Can we still take like a very basic renderer, either the current Sideros one, so at least we can render something, and then you can refactor it or remake it from there? Is that possible, or is it like?
I mean, the Sideros renderer is not a complete mess, so it wouldn't be hard because I already rewrote it.
Yeah.
So now it's a bit cleaner.
Okay, because if we could do that, I think it would be like ideal, just so somebody could still run and test stuff. Don't have to be like just enough to put something on the screen so we can see that it starts the app and something is there, basically.
The project is structured so that everything is a separate module, so it's not hard to just pick the parts you need.
Yeah, okay. Then I think that would be also ideal to put in there. Yes, okay. So Harold will do this quick setup, then Ernesto will take in the basic platform specifics from Sideros, and we'll do also integrating just a basic, well, I guess render. Is it shouldn't be too complicated taking the window and renderer from Sideros, right? Or am I completely out of my way thinking about that?
It should.
Great, Harold is now using ChatGTP and I'm streaming it.
Yeah, that's great.
Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna do a bit of. I'm doing some sketching in Miro just to get this clear picture.
So wait, are we starting from scratch, or are we?
We are
Yes.
well, yeah, but we are taking still parts from both of the projects, but people wanted a clean start. But ECS, you are you're working on the ECS thingy, right? Or from Harold's math library, kind of thing, or right? For the rotations.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm still trying to figure out the rotors.
Yes.
It's kind of making sense, but that's going to use more.
Okay. That's great.
Okay, are we like starting a new repo or?
No, we're using the same repo, so we'll just make a legacy branch of we made already a legacy branch, but the same master branch will be the like main project.
I'm having like a lot of trouble just building the project.
Oh,
What
OS?
One of the num-z has a hash mismatch.
Oh, num-z. Okay, I think we should probably take the math library that it is Harold's math library, but probably make it a part like the actual source code part of the project because it's.
I mean, or you use your fork, so we don't just put in a bunch of random shit into the repo. Like we have a package manager, you know.
Yeah, but my fork is still like. I think it still would be more convenient just to have a math library like part of the whole thing.
Nah,
Yeah,
but we saying
I think so
we,
as well.
we don't. Okay, I mean, if that's what you guys want to do, but
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just warning you, it's gonna be unclean.
No, that's fine. That's fine because I don't know, guys. Do you know
No,
any
you think
good
that's fine
like math
because-
libraries for Sig? Like the best one I have used is Harold's.
No.
There are none.
Yes, exactly. So.
Yeah, that says something.
So I think putting it as an actual like in the shared, I guess there we would put it, and then Gilded can work on the transform, changing it to use the rotors for the rotation, and what else? Also, okay, is it just my stupid ass? But when we work in regards with rotations, should you always use radians and not degree, except if you do something? But like when it's math, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should use quaternions.
No, we don't use quaternions. Otherwise, Ernesto gets mad.
Okay, we use matrices.
We use
We use rotors.
Rotors are rotors, right? I barely know how those work, but yeah.
Also, did you fix the Vulkan header thing? I think we should just go with the C library. It's the easiest. Or C
I don't
header.
know, maybe we should consider contacting GPU manufacturers and ask to make a new graphics API that works with Zig.
Yeah.
We can be
Sounds
the
like a plan to
maintainers
me.
of it. We will call us zoners.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So then Harold will be done with that soon. Ernesto will take the Sideros part in there. Sideros. And then base, Harold. And when
Bro.
why did it freeze?
My build knowledge is being tested here.
Well, yeah, it's changing frequently, so it would make sense.
It's more like I don't know how to do this because I've never. This is like really weird. Usually I have two separate builds files thingies.
You just need modules. Like Zig has modules.
Yeah, no, it's just it would be nice if I could have steps to compile the client and the server, and then those just call into their own like build functions, I guess.
You can do that. You just need the dependencies.
The dependencies. What?
You use the modules to build an executable as a dependency, and then the command, like the client command or the server command, has a dependency on that installation.
Right. Yeah, but these guys they don't want a multiple build Zig files or like Zig build files, so we
Yeah, you
just have
can
one.
No,
You can
just
do
have
that in
you
one.
have- You can set up 2 different steps, and they do 2 different things, and you can have one that's
Yeah, but I would
build
I would
one.
like if it, but I would
You can
like if
set
a
up
step
one.
could call a function.
Oh, uh, can you do that?
I mean, I feel like you should be able to do that.
Okay, so
Rust.
as soon as Harold's done with this part, Ernesto takes over with the Citrus integration based stuff, platform specific renderer. Then, when he's done with that, Gilded will take the math for rotors. Lorenzo and Cheesecake will work on the renderer, right?
Ernesto says that you can change the run step to accept a parameter like a server or a client.
Yeah, I guess you could do that too.
I guess, but you know, I don't want to compile the server and the client every time you run. I mean, it's just
Won't we have to for the hot loading?
well, the server and client are independent.
I see.
But
Well, you can't run the client without the server.
yeah, just
Yeah,
don't
sure,
worry
but
about that right now. Let's move forward by just. Can you just? What's the most simplest thing you could do right now that is the fastest?
What?
What like the fastest thing that you can like? Is it easiest to just do both of them at the same time right now?
I guess we can just do both at the same time, right?
Yeah,
sure.
because you can then once you got this base going, then you can implement that finesse of doing them separately. But right now we just need it up and running.
Sure.
Hello,
But should I
Arctic.
actually make so when you do the run step, it just runs the server and the client?
Whatever is fastest to do. No, if it takes
No,
more
but
time
like,
to do,
bro,
don't
like
worry about it.
should we? But you're gonna have to run the server if you're gonna run the client
Yes.
anyways.
Yes.
So if I just add a run step for everything, and when you run, it runs the
Yeah, sure,
both
sure.
of those.
Yeah.
Okay.
Will we do so that? Okay. But so if you do that now, we'll. I'm just thinking. Yeah, but you can still start the client without having anything like just an empty window, right? With nothing there. Yeah. Okay, Harold, I think after you get this, you and I can start working kind of on just getting the server and client up and running. Like actually
sure.
connecting and trying to get that the information is being sent so we can display something on the client side.
Yeah, I mean that's not really hard. It's like really easy, but I
Yeah.
just got to like push this so that my guy can start working on this.
Lorenzo,
Yes.
Ernesto's asking how did you fix the headers?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, but how did you do it? Because I think he's also on Mac.
I pushed it.
Oh. Did you also fix the overflow thing that was happening for NVIDIA cards?
No, I didn't do that because I can test it, so I don't know how to check if it works.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Citrus doesn't seem to be running for Ernesto.
Yeah, I managed to get it working, but then there was like the buffer overflow, so.
That's weird.
$81,920 is greater than 65,536 for VK discovered advertising.
Yeah. It seems like it wasn't pushed unless if... No. That's okay.
Okay.
Right now I gotta go do Friday night stuff.
Yeah. Don't
Yeah.
worry. It's okay.
So I'll be back probably tomorrow. I don't know.
Yeah.
All right.
But before you go,
Have a
you
great
seem
time.
to... you didn't push your changes. Was it a simple fix that you did, or was it something very large?
I did it with Harald yesterday, so
Okay.
Yeah, no, yeah, it's very easy.
Okay, well then I will take it from Harold.
It's,
So,
okay.
yeah. All right. Enjoy.
See you guys.
See ya. Bye bye.
See you. Okay, let's see here. Yes, we have the shared. We can probably rename this to stream, but test stream because it's a test. Okay, I am basically soon done in like a second here actually.
One.
And Lucas, if you wanna stream, yes,
I'm
I'm not.
streaming.
If you wanna stream now,
I'm watching.
Okay.
I've been
and
watching
you're
the whole
looking at
time.
my stream.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. You see now, tada! This is a test, and it's because
Alright.
it's in the share there. It's just a string. We can change
Okay. Yeah,
this.
no. It's fine. It's fine. Just push,
this.
and I think Ernesto can continue from there, right?
Yeah.
I can help port it from one that have a Linux computer. Wait, what?
Oh,
Also-
I have the pull request.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I forgot about that. But it's okay. It's gonna be like deleted the whole project. Hey, Rust will be gone.
Yeah. Finally.
Perfect.
Perfect.
I've seen nothing wrong with that. Okay, size.
I want to see a big plus for that.
Size.
Yeah, remove the entire project and Lucas, delightful.
Oh god. Wait.
Lorenzo, what the hell is
Yeah.
size?
Resort much
What is
cleaner.
what?
Wow.
Yes.
Add your review. Ship it.
Yes.
Yeah. Looks good. Looks good.
Just remove the entire project.
I'm gonna try something. 65536.
Alright. There. Wait, there's more GLSL right now than Zig. How did this happen?
How did that happen?
Well, I have a lot of fucked up
Yeah.
shaders actually in assets, but yeah. Okay, but now Ernesto, you can pull, and let's see. Let's get the Sideros specific
You
stuff.
want to do networking, Lucas?
Yeah, I'm speedrunning
Sidero.
Vulkan Triangle.
Yeah.
But yeah. Wait, I'm gonna follow along with Ernesto that we get this thing.
Okay, but should I start on like some simple networking?
Yeah, you can do that, and I will just try to follow along later on that.
Alright.
Ernesto, you wanna share your screen? Harold. Actually, let's help Ernesto so we can get the thing to work. Because if Lorenzo forgot to push, so
Yeah.
It's quick. We can do it. Yeah. I think it should be quick, right?
I don't know if it's quick, but it's not very difficult. You kind of just have to know what you're doing. That's the thing.
For the Linux platforms code.
It's just like
Actually, let's just take, if you take the pieces that you need, and because I remember also had problems compiling, but it was just a writer Vulkan write problem, so it shouldn't be too hard to fix it. The validation layers are quite clear on what you need to change. So just take what you need, and I can probably figure out the validation errors and fix the... Even though I don't know your whole rendering setup, but I don't think it should be too hard. I think it was some extension he might have used also for me, but let's see. Once render .vulkan render push vertices. Render switch OS molten else Vulkan. Huh.
Hello?
Hello?
hello.
Oh. I'm very confused.
Don't worry about it. I'm confused every day. Check out this. Oh yeah, I saw that. Wait, Ernesto. What's this? Oh my god. It's about Vulkan in the game dev, yeah.
This video is really... This video is very good.
I saw it, but I was still like... I like, the only takeaway I took it from was that Vulkan is good for indie dev. That was my takeaway. I was like, eh.
Oh. What the heck is happening?
Wait, but Gilad, you're still just reading on... What are you doing right now?
I'm trying to get Sideros to compile on NVIDIA cards.
Okay.
Like to run on video cards. Where is he getting this number? I also manually mapped it.
I think that's Lucky that wrote it. He usually does that.
I'm dumb.
But yeah, okay. Ernesto, could you show me just what part do we need from Sideros that is platform specific and get the core of the renderer, and we can try to fix it inside of Planetary Sigma. Consider source there is. Okay. Wait. I was thinking. Yes. I know, but could you do it? Is what I'm wondering. You don't have to tell me what there is. I think you have more clear picture of these things, so you could take them in and just live stream when you do it. I think that's fine. They contain the platform specific code for Linux, Org, and Wayland. I can't, but I can compile. But I cannot compile. Wait, what? I guess you mean you can, but you cannot compile. That's fine. You don't need to be able to compile. I just want to see what are all of the things. So you could easily just copy those things on stream, and then I can see kind of what. Or I guess I could also do it, but I think you have like more.
Yeah, it's about render. Sorry.
I think Ernesto has a clearer picture of what is needed from Sideros. Otherwise, you will have to tell me every file one by one, and I wouldn't have a clear picture of directly what is needed from it. That's just the thing, I think. But if you can get the stuff there, then I can try to compile it and stitch it. But just get the sources there that are required. Yeah, Harold, what was your question?
About a renderer, like Cheesecake kinda wants me to make like a render interface, because apparently I am an interface master. Yeah, that's kind of it, I guess.
Wait, why a separate window though?
But I don't know if that's.
Ernesto is wondering why a separate window. Separate function. Wait, why a separate
window?
Why a separate function though? For. It's for. You don't have to worry about it. It's still like we just needed it to compile and run. So unless it's a really big problem for you to integrate stuff, of course.
I just know the window implementation is gonna be so bad, but it's okay.
Just use glfw. Wait, let's see. I don't even need the definite function. I can be just. Nah, actually. Why the fuck you guys want to have your own window and just use glfw? It's stupid to reinvent the wheel. I don't want.
glfw success. Making windowing isn't that hard, unless it's a Wayland.
I mean, I'm kind of on Cheesecake side on this thing. Like, I think we should just use either SDL or GLFW.
GLFW is so bad. No. SDL it's the devil in a costume made by Valve, and GLFW is just.
But Valve stuff is pretty good.
No. I don't think so.
I think still, like, wait, before shared should be separate into its own compilation unit so we can hot reload.
It is.
Ernest, yeah. He's just writing it to do in the build. Don't worry, it's still. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Let's
hot reloading will destroy this. I can feel it.
No, don't worry about it. Then let's see. Okay, but let's think about it real quick.
I can feel it, bro.
The idea of having. I still think we should, like Cheesecake said, use a windowing library like GLFW or SDL.
Bro, windowing libraries, Lucas, you don't know what a windowing library is. It's super duper easy if you don't have to worry about API design, alright? And it's not that bad, bro. It's easy, and it's like you don't need anything, bro. It's like 5 lines for everything. Trust me on this.
So you're telling me it's easy to get to know if a button is being pressed or just pressed once or held down?
Quite, yeah. I mean, I've done it.
And it's
I'm a
easy,
dumbass.
and we don't have to be too concerned about what OS, if it's Wayland or if you're using high X11 or.
Lucas, go to this link I'm gonna send you. There you go.
Wait, if you want to maintain Vulkan and addition some more platform specific stuff that can break at any moment, sure, go for it. Yeah. And for nothing, I just thought it was funny. Yes, bruh.
Okay, Vulkan is not gonna break on any platform except Metal, Mac. But that's Mac, bro. I'm not managing Mac, alright?
Okay, wait. Is it for real? Follow. How do you say cases as teachings? Window library equals bad. Each OS has its own main.
What?
Good common API. If that's true, I mean, Casey is pretty much the guy, you know. I think if that's true, that changes the whole idea.
Well, okay, what is Cheesecake saying now?
No,
What
Casey,
is
not
Cheesecake saying
Cheesecake.
now? He's Russian. He's a master.
No, Casey.
Alright.
You know
He's
the
a
guy
master.
who made. No.
What is yeah, I know what Casey is. I know who that is. But what does it say?
Well, he's basically on your side.
What does it?
I'll be back. Alright, see you, Penguin
Casey
Operator.
is on my side.
Yeah.
What? Okay.
Because like that guy knows shit, all right. If he says window library bad, then it's bad.
Why is it bad though? Tell me.
Window library equals bad. There's let's see. He explains
Why?
it
Tell me.
in. Wait, let's see. He explains it in the first couple of streams. Okay, no, I haven't seen Handmade Hero at all. Or wait, a lot, that's a lie. I have seen short clips and friends who have showed me sections of it, but I haven't like actually followed it. So, but I do know it's really good. So yeah, I would take his word. I know, and also I have watched a few of Casey's videos on other topics, and they're really good. Let's see, yeah, who cares about what he says? He was making it just for the sake of architecture. He wasn't trying to make an actual game. This video is in particular. Is there a specific timestamp? Yeah, my internet is not the fastest either.
Started again, so we have a nice clean one to post.
He was on Windows.
You're really gonna trust a guy that's on Windows?
Yeah, that's wait, Harry, you should be in support of this.
Why don't?
Because you don't want to use a window library.
Yeah, I don't want to use a window library. I want to make your own window library.
You can do your own windowing, but I ain't maintaining that shit. Yeah, is 22.
Bro, I am maintaining that shit, alright?
Window won't be.
I
on.
maintain that shit.
Okay. Harold will maintain the window. Okay, then it's fine. If you got a guy to blame, it's fine. Harold will then take responsibility for that shit. Okay.
To Linux_files. Now the way it will work from there on is we will create a.
I should really watch the Handmade series, but yeah, should. All I need is create window, destroy window, get required instance extensions, create window surface, and destroy window surface. Ping me once you're done, I will do the Vulkan triangle. Okay, Harold, do you got those things? Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I've been down for the last 3 weeks.
Okay. Let's see. Should. Isn't it only OpenGL? Also open, yes. Okay. Let's see. I need to look at Ernesto. What is he explains it? Okay. Should we done Wayland X11 or options? Right. We actually need both Wayland and X11 because I think yeah. Wait. Yes, because at least for me when I run RenderDocs uses X11. Or the XCB, what's it called? Yeah. Wait, what's happening, Don? Isn't it only open also Vulkan? Is it integrated into Sigma yet? Send a repo. No, why would it? Lucas doesn't like it. What? Branch. Lucas, can you send the Sigma repo? Right. Wait, you have... Ah. No, that's not the Sigma repo. This is the Sigma repo. I should probably rename that. It's not that anymore. Let me quick change the about. Vulkan Sig. I'm just doing this now. That will be good. And I will add Cheesecake also as contributor. I don't think Cheesecake is contributor yet. Let's see, did Ernesto have anything? I'm doing it, so it doesn't need window. Yeah. I'm gonna go and add Cheesecake as contributor real quick. Where do I do that? Or collaborators. Oh my god, I need two-factor authentication. Prove that. Close. And let's add there. Adds the best. Like so. So I added you as contributor now. Yes. Okay. That's so weird. I got like when I save it auto formats my file. I've gotten so used to it, so it's so weird to look at people who don't have it having to format. Well, I guess it's really nice because sometimes it's really annoying when it formats automatically. Okay. Good, good, good. Do we need a separate build for the server? I don't think, because it doesn't use any window, it only uses like logic.
No, it's the same.
So that one shouldn't require to be different builds, right? Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't say you don't have to do it until maybe some memory thing or file loading maybe, but I guess yeah. I mean, you don't have to do platform specific for the server, at least not now. If you run into that problem later, then we can change it, but right now I don't think it's worth thinking about it. It doesn't outform it, no. Sadly.
Look in my stream.
Alright.
You see, I have this here. It's very simple, basic. It's just sending hello over and over again on the server. Yeah.
Nice. Could you add your mat into the shared, like as an actual how your mat library, yeah, and your ECS, so we can use it to modify also the source code, like not as an son, but actually being able to modify it straight in the project.
Hmm?
Both the mat and
What more? What more did you want?
your mat and EC libraries or projects.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice.
Also, I really think we should split up the build here because of how this works. But
Yeah, I don't do anything in the build right now. Ernesto is still tweaking on it. But what do you mean by splitting up the build? I think you died.
you're selling one separate for the server and one for the client.
Well, I haven't tried separate build. Do you mean like separate build files? Yeah, well, that's what you mean. But I haven't tried that, and as I understood from the others, it's just pain doing it.
Yeah, well, it's a pain doing it locally also, or like no, in one singular one.
Well, I mean, we can look into it after Ernesto is done with this thing. Tell me once you have gotten the math and easy in there. So this is so-called vibe coding. You vibe,
Right.
someone else does coding. Yes. This is traditional vibe coding, all right? No, I actually have the top of the line AI models, all right? These models, they're phenomenal. I just talk with them and then they ask me questions. Nah. These are real human beings. Believe it or not. Yo, hello,
What?
Kaya. What did you say, Harold?
Not real.
Not real. He's Sigmaster. No, I have you don't know the guys that I got with me right now. These people are phenomenal. They're crazy when it comes to doing Sig. I'm actually, believe it or not, I'm learning from them. Cheesecakes said that your library doesn't build. How much do I pay them? I pay them in joy, happiness. I hope. Should we move to our own headers? Okay. I did just do the C translate and then and then you provided me the utils for the Vulkan. So it did work. Beautiful. Maxing. Ah yes, the one friendship please delivered. How much per token? It's a whopping 0 per token, believe it or not. Welcome Max, by the way. We had a vote apparently to completely demolish what I have written and start over, but now we are. How many are we? If it's me, you, Cheesecake, Harold. So, me, Harold, Cheesecake, Gilded, Ernesto, Lorenzo. We're 6 people, right? In the project now. That's a crazy upgrade. That's a 600% increase. Or is it 500% increase? Well, 6x. Oh no. Almost 7. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and it's pretty cool. I'm very excited. How much lines of code you had? Oh, let me see the PR that
37,000.
37,000. Yeah. But it's okay. I mean, I learned a lot. It's fine, and I think also this also encouraged the other guys to join in because they didn't really like. You can still like take code from my previous code base, like things that actually were good. But yeah. So I think it's fine. Like it's not completely having to do everything from scratch again. Now there's 6 people working, and I think these guys also they know. Well, I know these guys knows a lot. So it will just be I think it will be just an overall improvement in the whole project. I think the biggest concern is kind of like everyone here is kind of very interested or hard on wanting to do everything from scratch. So it might be a bit hard to try to be like let's use a library where it's kind of good enough, you know. They're already against using a window library. so fuck, we're not using a window library, I guess. But it's okay. If it makes them happy, let's go with that, you know. Let's build Vulkan from scratch. Yeah, exactly.
Ernesto, if I'm gonna be honest, this code is like very deprecated that you're writing here.
What do you mean? He's just wrote it.
Yeah, it doesn't work. You have to do exe root module, and there's no link libc function where you have to do it in the module.
Right.
I had to do it after imports, I guess.
But
yeah, it's in the module creation. In the exe create module.
yeah, that was window library is such a game changer. Without it, cross-platforming is very hard. Yep. But these guys apparently insist that they know what they're doing for cross-platforming, so we're gonna go with it. They don't. Well, hot reloading is not. Harold is the only one who is against it. Everybody else is kind of fine with it, so. And I'm keeping hot reloading. Hot reloading is like, I don't know, I'm a big fan of it. I still love it. I'm actually gonna do some research on it more, but Wayland all the way, yeah. Harold, linked system libraries is also done in module level at Harold. Oh, and Cheesecake didn't like
What?
hot reloading either, apparently. I forgot about that. I think I fucked up my thing. What? Oh, okay, it's just by default not showing. Link system libraries is also done in modules, module level. That was a question to you, Harold.
Huh? I'm eating chips, what?
Let's see. I don't know who said to change the code. I assumed. Yeah. Harold is the one who told you to do that.
Yeah. Also, all I'm gonna say, bro. I don't know if I really agree with this code here, but all right. Yeah, I mean it's basically the same as before. You have to do exe.root module.link system library, and the system library is taking in options, but you can use to empty structure initialization.
Have you watched video about C++26? No. No. No, haven't.
And so you can do the link libc in the like options for the create module, so you don't need to do this kind of stuff. But yeah.
Check this out. You can provide links in the chats. What do you mean checking out the C++26 video? If you send the title name, I could probably search it up. There's something interesting. Finally working modules for the C++. Yeah, links don't work, but you can send the title name in the chat. I guess that would be fine. I should. Okay, actually, stream qual it's not that bad right now. I should probably change the restream. I think. I need to sneeze. I think. No? Okay. Woo!
Lucas, you haven't accepted my PR.
Oh, you have made a PR. Oh, nice.
Yeah, though I can't add the things in the build because Ernesto's cooking there.
Understandable. Test networking. Okay. Did you also add the math and physics at the same time? Maths and not physics.
The math and the ECS I added.
You did? I just see. Oh, so you did add them as dependencies.
Yeah, but like I can't do stuff in the build, so I you know, it's
Oh,
like
so
half functioning.
Okay, yeah. I didn't even add a comment.
But it's easy to add, so yeah.
Yeah. Wait. Reflection that nice. Modules are supposed to
And if I'm gonna be honest, not really.
Hot reloading, do you like it now?
I mean, it's alright, but could be better.
Just add so it works. Don't worry about too much about it being perfect right now. We can make it perfect after we get so that everyone at least can run the application.
Not gonna lie, we should just use my windowing library. I think it's a very good alternative.
The whole project will be more dependent on Harold's libraries at this moment. Window library bad. See?
You don't want it abstracted, I see. I just don't know if this is really the way to go either, but Ernesto, what you should do is, like feedback, is to do the create module like you did before. But then also use exe.root_module.link system library, kinda like you did before. But this works also, so it's...
Whoa. Wait, you undoing the whole thing now? I'm gonna grab some tea. Keep them entertained or something.
Ernesto, the link libc is like after the imports. It's the same like config as the root source file, target, and optimizing those. Yeah, there.
It was cold. The waters have to boil more. Imagine that. But I took yogurt instead. Wait, so how is the progress?
Yes.
So when do we rewrite this in C# DirectX 12 with only Windows and Xbox for?
Soon.
These guys have actually made it work with WebAssembly, so you could like mod the game by just compiling like literally, well, I guess any language to WebAssembly, and you could just integrate it into the whole project. That's crazy. They had like a VM running and everything. Freaking crazy. I wouldn't. I'd just do hot reloading.
Also, Ernesto, why do you do like var exe and that stuff? Why don't you use code blocks? I mean, I use a code block here.
It's okay. We can change that later. Just focus on getting the thing up and running.
Yeah, no problem, man. You see, I'm a Sig master. I don't write a lot of code, but my code that I do write is very nice, I would say.
God damn it. You guys get too fixated on you think things look good.
And so I would just call it like after the Linux here, after the Linux and the fat arrow. You see where you do .linux and that stuff, yeah.
Yo. Alright, the tea is done. Or boiling of the water is done. Alright. Logical device created. Got the physics device working. Awesome. Wanted to yes, this thing. Do you have anything about networking?
Ernesto, put the exe block on the Linux thing. So you don't have the double indentation thing here. Or whatever, yeah. Yeah, I would just call it exe, not gonna lie, but I mean you can call it the exe block also, it's... I mean both work, it's about readability in them, so... Yeah, that's usual what happens with this.
Okay, wait, they're talking until we're using UDP as. Okay, so this one is they're using UDP in this. That's fantastic. Huh. This one might actually be a good read. Let's see, there's a part 2. Component synchronization. But I think they used P2P, that's the only problem. But I guess you can still, a lot of the ideas you can convert over. Yeah, most games use UDP because if TCP pack fails, it starts from scratch. So unless TCP, yeah, I think we will first do TCP for the sake of just trying it out. I don't think because it's so simplistic. The first multiplayer stuff that we'll do, I don't think it will be a huge problem. But as we move forward, we will probably replace it with a UDP. But I don't care too much about implementing perfection before things can work. So.
Yes, baby.
I do.
Straight up all my chips and I'm 10 kilos fatter. And I baby.
Nice. Dementia gaming. For real. But yeah, we will probably have to switch to UDP at some point. You give me a Linux triplet? What? Compilation target. Unknown location interface API. What's going on? File hash not found. Seems to work. Woo! Woo!
Bless you.
Thank you. I'm like, yeah. Thank you. I also got the bless you in the chat. Oof. I wasn't able to go to the gym today because yeah, as you probably can hear, I'm not sounding too sick, but kind of getting there. And it doesn't seem to be going any better. So I was mainly just pissed in my bed for a long time of the day in my bed, not being able to go to the gym.
That sounds terrible.
It was pretty bad.
Now look at my stream. Because if you're sick, yeah, but the project must go on.
The project must go on, exactly. That's why. Instead, we are spending overtime in. Oh, nice. In stream
It's
today.
a Vulkan triangle. It's done with my windowing library.
Sure. Wait, you pissed in your bed? That's awful. No.
XDG equals X11.
Okay. Pissing in your bed is that's the cool part. It gets yellow colors and stuff. You know it's called a Picasso. Do I hear excuses for not working out? Yeah, you're right. I should just have gone. I should just have gone to the gym and just completely obliterated oh body. I was sick for 5 days. I was literally crying, and not for real sadness cry, but cold was making me. Damn! Oh, you painted to Minions team. Wait. Oh, you painted to Minions team. Yeah. I painted the Minions. You wanna see? No. That's cool. Wait, I need to check on Ernesto because he's kind of getting to the point where. Oh, nice. We're on the actual. Oh, hell yeah, let's go. Register handle global. Wait, what?
Yeah, they call it globals in Wayland. Don't worry about it.
Oh, that's what it is.
Why are names called with snake case, bro?
It's
Oh hell no.
It's
See import. Damn.
Well, I guess Harold will have a splendid time fixing this, right?
Yeah, and I have a splendid time kind of removing it all and then porting it into my library. Not gonna lie, bro. You guys aren't the investors here. Just look at my stream, all right?
Wait, no.
Alright,
We are right now. The focus is Ernesto on making sure that we get the renderer working, and after that, we will. After that, I think after Ernesto gets the renderer, I think we will be pretty much like set to start. Well, a little bit of polishing, I guess, but also that people can start implementing their own kind of tasks. What is it? Oh, Helix! You're using Helix, okay. I was like, HX, what the hell? Bro is so skilled, he can fight pure sickness. Yeah, my call was so strong, but I kicked it out of my body system. You people are next level, holy shit. When I'm sick, I'm just dead in bed. That's what I do. And then I have to, and then after 12 hours of doing nothing, I'm like, I should probably eat. And I'm like, nah. 4 hours later, okay, now I should eat. Okay. Wait, so you just do a game init. Okay, that makes sense. And then a game update, which is just type def. Wait, hold on. Okay, wait, that's. Ah, okay, I see now. Okay. Okay, Harold. And Ernesto is asking for you again. Because this is now, we actually should have T-Chef in here. This is becoming like C oriented now, not doing this without C boundary layer.
Yeah, no. Welcome to FFI. What you can do is, I mean, I would just have the game in it, just be passing as a pointer and then having these functions to do the stuff in Zig. Yeah. But generally, no. No, but you would have like functions. Like in C abstract anything anyways, it's yeah. Like in Zig you would just pass it in as a pointer, and in C you would just have functions to do stuff with that.
Wait, what the fuck am I reading in the chat? Global state not considered bad in 2026. Thinking global state is bad in 2026. You guys living in 2026? I'm still in 2025, guys.
Hello, Mr. Mago.
Oh, is Mr. Mago here? No way. Oh, Mr. Mago. What's up? I just leaked your whole Discord on stream. There's only one GPU
You
context.
leaked my Discord? That's great.
Yeah, I do that. I'm a professional leaker. I think, is it like 4 times I have leaked API keys on stream or something like that? I once even DDoSed, or not DDoSed, but I leaked a friend's IP. That was a yikers. But that footage is gone. Luckily I didn't have many viewers either that stream, so no, I don't think anybody got it. That was so bad. So when you leak your stream keys, I don't know, maybe I have done that, I'm just not aware of it right now. It wouldn't surprise me.
Yes, I am here indeed.
I'm not gonna lie, not using a window library is starting to look pretty like complicated. No wonder, like, how do you do C import right
look
now?
at the code I sent you.
Wait, he wonder how you do
Bro,
C.
C import is deprecated as hell.
Yeah, shouldn't that
Oh,
be in the
I do C
build?
import. Oh. Yeah, you do translate C.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I seem to be like, well, I guess Cheesecake also. That's we seem to be the only people in the entire world with this knowledge, you know. Like I can teach you, it's no problem. No, we're not like that.
Yeah, it should go into the yeah at the import Vulkan and stuff. Yeah, it should be in the build. I think you do. Isn't it? Don't you do it at the top, the C import, and just store it in a let's see. Because we do it, or I did it quite extensively, but let's see. In the old. Let's see. Yeah, depending on what you wanna do. Do you guys use also Vulkan memory allocator for your rendering Sideros? I found it really good, but let's see. I will send you guys. Wait, I will send this in the chat. There's from the, or actually you can also just check out the legacy branch. We have in that build, we do use this C import of Vulkan. Wait, translates also, I think. Wait, yeah, translate C. I don't know, Harold. Is this the right way? This is the way I did it. Basically.
Yeah, let's see here.
Doing it like
Yeah,
this.
sure.
Yeah.
That's one of the ways, which is more correct than C import, for sure.
For sure. Wow, he's sending pictures of me. Wait. Let's see. Is it cleaner to? Yeah, well, I guess. Yeah, because this it's only meant for the. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it makes sense. Are you guys still going on about global states, or is he just judging your library?
Yeah, bro doesn't like global states. Oh no, bro likes global state or something.
I mean, global states are great when for quick debugging, to be honest. But other than that, I also dislike
for quick debugging. Yeah, bro, they're so bad for structure.
I don't know. Ernesto says that global is good.
It's
I
like
don't know if
having,
he's
like,
wrong.
I tell you, like, you can have a shelf with stuff on it.
He says that it's good. I don't know if he's
bro,
being
bros are wrong.
sarcastic
Bros are wrong.
or if it's for real.
Nah, bro, but like globals, it's kind of like if you have a shelf, right, and you put shit on it, it's nice because you can easily pick it up and use it or whatever. But you can also just put everything on the floor, I guess. But you don't do that, do you?
I don't know. For me, like wait, like reasons for not using global states. I mean, I think the simplest is just like clarity in a sense that you just pass it as a parameter. It's quite clear where it comes from then. Welcome back, Penguin Operator. Well, I don't think he means to put all of the variables as shitty globals.
Sure.
Stores D word. Mangu is on a different spectrum right now, talking about assembly.
Autism spectrum.
Yes. Definitely.
No, then we're all on the same spectrum still.
Yes. But Lucas, watch my stream here.
No, wait. Ernesto is typing something. Something like global state connection connect is fine in my opinion. I mean, I would still like to take it as a parameter, honestly, like having like a connection kind of like struct that you pass to anything that needs to do with connections. Or having a namespace that just take itself, if that's like really important. It's funny wasting registers and making compiler job harder. That's true, I guess. How does it work? If you have a global, how does it? Because is that stored in like? It has to also be stored in. You have to get it through some register still.
It gets put on the stack instantly.
But you have to still take it in.
It's just on the stack like instantly.
Yes, but you have to still put it in a register in order to operate on it, right? Or read it.
Bro, it's exactly like a normal variable. It's just that it has the scope of the program, like its lifetime.
But it's yeah. Well, I mean, I don't know, like, just out of usage, I find that it's just better not to use them because it becomes, for me at least, unclear when is it, like, where does it come from? I hate to think about it. But I don't know about the actual technical kind of view, like, is there a disadvantage when the processor executes commands or...
Yes, there is.
Commands? What are they?
There's
Operations?
one single little thing, and that is that things that...
No, I was...
yeah, but the technical thing that is bad about globals... Yeah, sorry. You were saying something?
No, yeah. Just say it. You do.
But the bad thing about... Yeah, right. But the bad thing about globals is because they can't be initialized like on the global scope because they probably require some like setup from somewhere else, like libc for example, like a malloc, and then you just can't call that in the global scope, and so your variables have to be mutable, and if they're mutable, the compiler can't do compiler optimization as well. So I mean, there you go, technical.
How is it in C++? Isn't there kind of different?
Yeah, it's weird in C++.
C++ don't care about optimizations, lol. Lamau, yeah. No, I don't, like C++ is so weird. I'm getting a headache every time I'm trying to
Yeah, we don't
understand
really
what it
talk
actually
much about
does. Because like, it's first of all very specific for the compiler. Like it's so different depending on that. Like it's, I don't know. I'm fine with just trying to understand Zig or C. C++ is like, I don't know if I want to try even anymore. But honestly, Harold, I think one thing that Cheesecake is right on about the global state is that you shouldn't like be an absolute on either or, because there are probably like good cases for a global.
Nah, bro. Like all the shit I've ever written, there's a very, very small part global, and the only place where I actually use globals in any meaningful way is a terrible thing, and I want to replace it because it is a bottleneck. So there's technically no good reason for me to ever use a global, and there's never been. So I just don't.
Let's see. Cache check failed. That's something to do with, isn't that with the C import when you get the cache check failed? Usually. Or translate C, yeah.
What error are we getting?
Translate cache check failed. Yeah, translate C, there it says. Compile exec translate C failure. But I wonder from client xorg install transient failure. Huh. Translate C2 errors. Huh. Don't wait, yeah. CB and stuff. That's a pretty fire name. I read you were talking about compilers there. It's so interesting about compilers and platform specifics. It's like it can have such a huge like impact on the whole thing. Yes.
Anyways, Lucas, you wanna look at my stream for just like 10 seconds?
Alright, I will put on the timer. Nah, I can look.
Yeah, right. Is this the
Wait, it's
window
loading.
library thing?
Okay, now I can see.
Right. Okay, great. Is this Wayland? Okay,
Mhm.
I don't know why the pixel buffer is like that. This is some mem size thing. Yeah, okay.
Very
I don't
fire.
I think it should be in the resize probably. Okay. Now it's nice. Alright, so you see it's nice, works perfect. You see I have input, blah blah blah. You see. If I do just, and this is at runtime that it switches this, you see. Now it's white on Wayland because it's using the pixel buffer and black on X11 because it's doing nothing. It's just making the window.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is the title, and if we do it for Windows, I'm not sure if I have one here. I think I have one. Yeah, Windows or whatever. Perfect. Okay, I think I know why. It's because it's
I will look at Ernesto in the meantime.
bad design. Yeah, it's really not like anything very hard or something. Yeah.
I'm still a bit, honestly, concerned about not using a window library. It's a bit, because it seems like it adds so much to think about.
Not really.
Well, let's see. I mean, we'll find out. We are 6 guys. I think we will probably manage to. We'll manage.
The one reason to not use my window library is that I'm probably gonna revamp the API quite a lot. So yeah.
But see, that's what I find quite often is when you build stuff from scratch, you always find ways to revamp and improve, like the render right now. That, well,
Yeah, but the thing with the windowing is that like it's just that I didn't really know how to design the API from the start, but now I actually know. So after this I think it will be kind of set in stone.
No, I get it. But that's also like you will run into that every time that you create something. Especially the first time you create something.
Sure, I guess, yeah.
Let's
Okay,
see.
but Lucas, you see here?
Wait. That it's
Now
happening. It's happening right now.
It's happening?
Yeah.
Alright, it's happening.
It's pushing. Fuck. Wait, are you pushing straight to master? That won't.
He can't.
Yeah. Wait, how do you... You need to make a branch. Check out -b and then name of the branch. Checkout is misspelled.
Your terminal should have autocomplete.
Yes, there and -b and now just a branch name platform. Yeah, and then now you git add and git commit and git push. It will give you what you need to do. Yeah, okay, then it's just git push. It will tell you, it's like something git push origin, yeah, that thing. Set upstream origin. Ah. What the hell? Why is it still there? Whatever. Let's see. Password authentication. Wait, did you... You did... You're a contributor, right? Yes, you are. Okay. So you should be able to do that. Weird. Do you have password authentication? Not. Ah, wait. You need to set up your. You need to create a. It's it's you have to create a thing on the. You don't have to do a. You just need to allow yourself to do. Or yeah, you could also do that. But then don't overwrite what you have already created, because then you will yeah. How do I... How the fuck do I get rid of them? Okay, now that's good. So FD force to remove whole directory. Okay. Okay, good. So I will go here. Oh wait, you have to create a PR. Shit. I thought you have to still Harold, how do you actually have to create a PR still on GitHub itself for it to make? Okay.
Just go to the GitHub, it will automatically like show this yellow bar here, and you can just
Oh, stream has ended. Okay, there, PR, let's go. Started working on the platform dependence API. Yeah, okay, so these are just the platform stuff still, not the actual renderer. Create PR, so I thought my LLM job was done. And try to run. Wasn't doing the run. Yes, but oh wait, Cheesecake. He left? Okay. Well, that's okay. I don't know, because it takes time to get it to work, so that's why we will be using a default placeholder in the meantime. But let's see. Okay. Which 0.1610? Yeah, okay. Okay. Expected found. Okay.
Yeah, welcome to the land of the C imports. This is why they did not like it, because the imports are technically different. And that's not very good. Yeah, that's why I don't use C import, I guess.
But that's not because of C import, is it?
No, I think it is. Or am I misreading? VK instance? VK instance? No, it's the C import.
No, it's import.
No, it's a C import, because those are the same structure but from different places.
But this is from the build.
Yeah.
Right. I will put the
Yeah, bro.
this one on the side now.
You know, I've been aware of this for like so long, and because I'm always on master and I'm always doing the latest shit also. I have been using Translate C now for so long, I can barely remember the old ways, bro. I do really not miss this.
But wait, so you can try to not import bulk. I don't know. I don't think that shouldn't be, because you
can just pointer cast for now. It's whatever.
yeah, that was. But there is a way to do it without having to do a pointer cast.
Yeah, that's called translate C.
Okay. But isn't that's what we're doing in the build file?
No, not this one.
Yes, we are. XC, or are we not? Wait.
No, we're not.
XCB.
No, because it's the CBOS
Translate.
stuff.
Translate
and
C.
Therefore, we're not.
Am I done?
Yeah, but there's also a major use of C imports and translate C. Also, I don't know what this is. This is some other stuff.
There's no use of C import.
Zero.
This is the only thing that is called C import in the whole project, and it's a comment.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, that's because there's two different translate Cs, I guess. Then.
Yeah. All right. CMX. The problem
Hello,
with C
Arctic.
VK instance comes from 2 modules. Yeah, something like that, right?
Yeah, it's because what you really should do is have a separate Vulkan add like translate C step, and then you import that separately
Ah.
instead of doing it twice.
Okay.
Like just make a Vulkan translate C here. Oh, if I'm gonna be honest, having your build change if it's Wayland or X is quite frankly like
Okay, wait.
really bad.
Then I guess I can leave because you know how to set this up properly. Would you like to do the changes for these things?
Well, then, well, it would be hard because you guys don't want to have a window library. You want to have separate things, and that's just not like possible if we're actually gonna do something with this.
Weren't you the one who said that we shouldn't be using a window library?
Well, everyone here seems to have a different version of what a window library is. Like, a window library for me is like GFWC, but for Ernesto, it is just abstraction over windowing, I guess. I think I could be wrong. Sorry, Ernesto, if I'm wrong. And Lucas, you don't have an opinion in this, so yeah.
I would say just use SDL, bruh.
Nah, bro, use my window library. Even though if I'm gonna change it, but like I will be responsible for changing that out then, and I take full responsibility for that.
Do you also have that you can control mouse
Like
movements, like re-register mouse offsets?
I have mouse events, yes.
Okay, so you could.
Oh,
Okay.
look at my stream. Look at my stream.
Wait, fuck, where's the...
Are you looking?
Wait,
You see my stream?
wait. So platform underscore needs to have Vulkan. Okay, we're seeing your screen now. Using a window library is like, please God, let the
Yeah,
author
okay,
of this
so you
library
see?
have thought
Now-
about this specific problem I will encounter during my development.
Which problem? That's... Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I have an abstraction for that. I have a keyboard structure. What? Abstractions don't lead to problems if you know what you're doing. Yeah, I just make a good abstraction. Bad abstractions absolutely lead to bad things, yeah. Or sound, yeah, but sound and windowing not the same.
Is the L there?
Ernesto, if... No. Ernesto, If abstraction typically leads to problems, I think you're using the wrong abstractions. Yeah, I mean, lots of things are. Most things are actually. Yeah, that's why abstractions are good.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you manage it, it doesn't. Like my code hasn't grown out of hand. It's just could be better. For example, it's mostly because I want to have an interface, and so you can add support for other platforms that I haven't added platform support for like Mac and shit. Because I don't have support for that. So if I made it into an interface, then you could add Mac support for your stuff, and it would be nice. But it currently doesn't have that. So, but like my thing still works.
Wait, how is it
Okay,
supposed?
yes. If you look, if you.
How does it work now? What? Because you have like no matter like what platform you're on, you just have the same kind of thing working anyways for key presses and like you
Bro,
don't.
look in my stream here. Look, yeah, bro, look at my stream. Okay, you see? So, are you looking?
Yeah.
Okay, you see, I can get the monitors. I can make the window. I can do events. The only not cross-platform thing here is these lines here, but it's just because I want to set the pixel buffer in Wayland to be something so I can see it, you know. So it doesn't really bother anyone else or anything. And you see, it's the exact same. You see this mouse prints here, mouse button, and then it says what button and the state.
Yeah.
You see, if I run this on Windows, and I focus this, you see if I'm left and right clicking,
Yeah.
or if I scroll, if I press middle mouse or whatever, right? That's Windows.
Yeah.
Now if I run it on Wayland, it's gonna be here, behind this. We can close this. You see, same thing, right button, but you know, I forward, backward, you know, scrolling, same shit. X11, you see, that, scrolling, forward, backward, keys, you see, keys working, keys here, work, you see. If I open up in Windows, keys still work. If I press T, it's gonna change the title, you see, title change. If I go to X11, I press T, title change. You can see it on Wayland, but I can still run it.
Wait. Ernesto is saying that the problem is who owns the boundary layer. What is boundary layer in this case?
Yeah, no, I get that, and that's why I want to change my windowing library to have interfaces. Because if I have them interfaces, you can do what you want, and I can also. Interfaces are just really good, but I just gotta add them. That's the thing. But currently this still works. You see this code here, it's cross-platform. I even have OpenGL, bro. It's all cross-platform. It works on all platforms except Mac, because usually no one cares about Mac, and I don't have a Mac to test. So.
Well, these guys are using Mac.
Yeah, I know that's one thing.
It's kind of a
and
big
that's why
thing.
it would be great if I made my entire windowing library an interface. Bro, interfaces, trust me on this. If you look at std.io, you can add your own platforms for reading files super easily. Well, I don't know, okay, you can at least. So if you make your own OS and you want to... No,
Find true
what?
fast.
Yes, Mr. Mago. Bro, std.io is actually such a good implementation of cross-platform interfaces. Because, like, you can make your own std like IO implementation for your OS that you made. Like, it could be called Lucas OS, and you make your own IO, and bam, now apparently the entire standard library just works.
They
For
cannot
you.
add methods to STD.
I mean, isn't that is wonderful?
What is, by the way, the... I haven't still got an answer.
No.
What is the boundary layer? I'm very confused.
Boundary layer, it's like what the person who's using it can influence. Like
Okay.
you can't add Mac support to my windowing library without forking it currently, for example.
Yeah, okay.
Because it's not using interfaces.
Mm.
Yeah, but if I made it interfaces, you could do that. You know? And the thing with interfaces is, if you add a Mac support, you can still use my implementations for Windows and X11 and Wayland, and it
Yeah.
magically works. You see? Interfaces are the best thing ever made by anyone.
Mr. Mango is.
You know, I should write a book that's called like "Do Not Fear the Abstraction."
Do not fear the abstract. Well, abstractions.
No, Mr. Mango
How
is
do
just-
I
he's
add
just
platform
throwing out
independent
some
sound to
absolute
your
bangers.
windowing library interface? But isn't audio separated from Win, or am I?
Yeah, it's separate. That's the thing. Audio windowing, not the same thing. It's kind of like asking how I can load files with my windowing library. You can't, because it's not what it does.
But audio's. But
Yeah, but it's a separate thing.
that's the
It
same with
has
file
nothing to do with
system.
the
Like
window.
the file and Windows are also system dependent.
Yeah, I mean, I could make an audio library, sure, and have an interface for that also. And it would be nice and cool, you know?
Okay, window positioning.
Window positioning. Yeah. Window positioning. You don't need window positioning. Like, it has window positioning on Windows and X11, and doing window positioning on Wayland is currently absolutely impossible. Yes, that's right, impossible. Well, technically there is a way, but it's through an extension, and not very many people use it. Well, technically the Wayland people did add a new protocol like last week, but it's not implemented in like a lot of stuff. So yeah, I mean, I'm really just doing what I can here, man. It's just if I can't do something on the platform, that's too bad.
I'm still like, why are we just not using SDL? Like, why not just use SDL? I wouldn't have any questions. Well, I guess.
STL is bloatware, bro. STL is bloatware. Yeah, it's bloatware. We don't like bloatware.
Well, I don't have a problem with bloatware.
You might think STL is windowing, but nah, it's also file system, asynchronous stuff.
They're just Mango's just
Throwing out
posting
some
memes
bangers.
right now. If you update with the needs of the game. Otherwise, I don't really see the point.
If I'm gonna be honest, I don't think my window library is fit for this currently.
Okay, well then.
I'm just saying that you shouldn't do it the way you guys are doing it. You should just make an abstraction, like a super tiny, teeny abstraction. I mean, if you want to use my window library in the future, yeah, go for it. But right now,
Okay, but we
I don't have interfaces, and it's gonna change a lot, and I don't have Mac support.
wait. We are doing an abstraction.
Yeah, I wouldn't call having multiple main files being an abstraction, if I'm gonna be honest, but to each to their own, I guess.
So wait, you're saying just having like one main file that then.
Yes, Bro, is that what I made, like, kinda? See, I have one window structure. And what is this window? Well, on Windows, it's the Win32 window, and on Linux, it's a tagged union for X11 and Wayland. This can technically be a bit improved, but
Okay.
I don't really know what updates like I would have to make it work with your game, because it would just work already. I mean, it has OpenGL support and Vulkan support on all platforms that I have supported. But it does not have Mac support still, so I would not recommend it for you guys.
No, but update just updates the game logic and draws it to the screen. Mango is still going on with the memes. Okay, but in that sense, I think because if I'm the only one that is kind of like saying that we should use SDL or GLW, but nobody else seems to be on that side. So then we're left with either the option of doing Harold's library or then doing our own thing, and I think we're all you guys are both leaning towards making our own thing because your window library is not ready for use yet, if I understand correctly.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't use it currently.
So,
but I mean, if I manage to figure out this API design, I would definitely recommend using it. Okay. But that's in the future. So.
Okay, but could we then let Harold design the window and platform specific thing right now, so we can get it just...
What? Since when was I in charge of this? Well, I will use SDL.
Finally, somebody agrees with me.
Nah, bro, use GLFW.
Nej, SDL, come on. No, but because I think Harold has like the... Okay, Ernesto has to go, okay. But we'll see. Dream of Zig, yeah, I always dream of Zig. Tomorrow we'll talk more. We'll also have to go real soon. Yeah. Awesome. And I will just talk with Harold real quick before we go, maybe make a little bit of a plan. And yeah. Sounds awesome. See ya, Ernesto. And wait, what was I supposed to do? Yeah.
See you.
Okay, so... But I still think, like... Isn't it best if you... do...
Alright.
Just so we get good build system, because it's still like it's not many files, right? It's not much to go through, and I think if you do it early now in the beginning...
much, but it's not good.
Yeah, nah.
It ain't much, but it ain't good. Oh, alright.
Because you have the most experience. I don't think anyone else has done anything with windowing, so in that regard, it doesn't have to be perfect. But if you guys insist so much on not using a window library, I think that would be the ideal path right now to take.
Right, is this master branch or?
It's master branch right now, yeah.
Okay.
And
you wanna just look at me do this, and I'll do stuff, I guess.
Yeah.
Or how do you wanna go about this?
No, we can just so we get this. Yeah, you can do, and I can follow along, I guess, and just talk if there's something that needs to be thought about.
Right, okay, so step number 1. We go to my GitHub. Step number 2. We go to my windowing library after I saw the build system here. And also, technically, even if I update this, you guys don't need to update your shit. You can use an old version. This version is... okay, we'll do something about this. I know what to do. The Mac support will have as a separate thing, alright? Yes. Actually, I kind of want to look at what they have done here. We can have a little code through. What the fuck? What is this, bro? This is like when I look at that, it's like this. Right. Errors named incorrectly. Perfect. Bad error name. Perfect. Weird error syntax. Perfect.
We should just take the utils that I had
Weird
for
function.
my Vulkan stuff, so then there wouldn't be this. Yes. The one that you generated.
Well,
You remember for all of the
yeah,
errors
Vulkan
and
util. Yeah, right.
yeah.
Yeah. We can definitely use that. Oh boy. What? Jesus Christ.
I mean, aren't they basically? Isn't this the same that you are doing, but just
Ooh.
a few steps behind?
A few. Bro, it's kind of like it's like what? It's like the Middle Ages versus the Industrial Revolution. All right.
Mm.
We are yapping about your ancestry.
How
Alright.
hard will it be for you to add macOS support to your windowing library? Because I think I still like okay. I should probably watch the Casey video about it to understand this, but for me it still doesn't make sense. Just why not just use SDL? We just need a window. We just need a window. An input. That's it.
STL is bloatware.
But
Bro, a window, you're insulting my culture. You see, it's no. Okay. But Mr. Lucas, you see, a window is a lot more than you think. It's actually about 2,000 lines of more than you think. About Mac support, well, I don't have a Mac. So it's a bit tricky to test.
yeah, we
But they had
kinda.
Mac support, they said.
Yeah, they're using Mac.
But they haven't added it here though. Well, he put.
How do they run it if they don't?
In here somewhere.
You mean the Sidro source
They
code?
don't. But
Hey, I have it
yeah. Okay.
there.
Fantastic. Let's see here. Source. macOS.
Yeah.
Okay.
But is that because they need to use Molten
Okay.
or VK?
Yeah, sorta. Vulkan it instance. I don't know why they have so much code duplication. It's kind of insane, actually. Okay. Get metal layer. Where is that declared? Fantastic. Extern structure. Well, I mean, from what I'm seeing here, it doesn't seem too hard, you know. I mean, yeah. But, well, then we got to find. But wait, they have a window.m. Oh, it's really here that this is then. Oh yeah, it definitely is. Well, I mean, if it's just some Objective-C, I mean, but you see, still, I don't have Mac. I don't have Objective-C. I don't have any of this.
Yeah, they
You
would
see?
kind of have to do the But wait, let's say, because if they could contribute to your project, they would add the macOS support to your windowing library. Would it then be basically more ideal than doing everything ourselves to use yours instead?
Most likely, yeah. Like currently, it's really not that difficult to add new platforms. Like all it would require, for example, in the monitor, it's that we go here and we do like Mac OS, and then we point to the Mac OS thing.
Okay.
And then we have to do like some small changes. And then it's basically quite independent. Like you see in the X11, it has its own open, it has its own variables, it does everything that it needs. Also, yes, I am using Xlib. This was before I knew about XLB. So that's delightful. I mean, everything is like quite independent. It doesn't really. It's just like really hard to like externally add things, like new platforms. That's why I got to make interfaces, but that requires time because I need good design for this.
Yeah. It's I'm still trying to think because why do they want access to like so much more like control about it? Like I feel like it's just fine to use SDL or GLFW to like I don't need more than that. I'm fine with what it provides. Like
yeah, I mean you can really use it. Just don't use STL.
Come on.
Anything but STL.
SDL is great.
Hello.
No.
Hello.
STL is not great. We're gonna go to STL real quick here, okay? STL free, right? And we are gonna look at their source. So let's see what we have here. We have atomics, audio, camera, core, CPU info, dialog, probably file, dynamic API, events, file system, GPU, haptic, DPI thing, IO, joystick, libm, which is not needed. Okay, we don't count that. Load SO, local, which is like language detection, I guess. I don't know what main is. MISC, I don't know what that is. Power, process, render, sensor, STLib, storage, test, threading, time, timer, tray, video, and then much other. Bro, you see this? This is like 5 standard libraries plus a window thing.
Yeah, but it's
You see this, bro?
you get it's I don't know. I find it like still convenient that you could just use it if you needed it.
Nah, bro, look in here. IO Yuri. Like, what is this? Bro, we don't need IO Yuri. As you can clearly see here, if you do std IO event ed, you see on Linux IO Yuri. What? That's crazy, I know. Crazy.
Okay, but we kind of need to decide on something.
Yeah, we don't need like
that's
that.
like
Yeah, use GLFW, bro.
no.
GLFW. I can even set it up for you. Not STL, please.
I'm just thinking that we need. Okay. I mean, we could use GLFW just to get started. I don't know. It's really like
Yeah.
and then
I mean, you
switch.
can always change it out later.
Yeah, because I'm thinking like we need to get it running, not like be fighting these kind of
Yeah.
things.
What is this for?
It's for the it's so you
Modding
can
or
was something to do with just being able to know, like
Mm.
when you pass it through the different windowing, like window APIs, to be able to access the stuff.
Mm-hmm. Okay, but should we just should we? Okay, here's the plan. All right, we use GLFW right now, and maybe in a couple of months, when my windowing library is maybe a little bit better API, then we can add it here, and they can implement a macOS implementation, and everyone is happy.
I think
Sounds
I think
good.
that's the best approach though, because if you do that to your window library, because we don't really need access hook into anything else in it, it's fine, right? I don't. That's what I'm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the best way to go about it then.
So I mean, if I think. Ah, bro, it's gonna be so delightful. Like, anyone can just add more platforms and shit. Well, bye to that, I guess.
It's still in the
So much work.
it is
all for nothing.
It is in the Git history, so if we want to take it
Yeah.
back, we can just take it back. But that.
Yeah.
But I think
Also, about the build, I really don't think we should have one single build or figure out this with the steps. Because right now, the way we're doing it, basically, it's a race to which one runs first, and we have to have the server running before the client, which is not guaranteed, so it's really buggy. Yeah.
yeah, but can
Do you get me?
yeah, get me? I have a British friend. You get me is what he says all the time. I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm British. Okay.
Well, I think like,
I guess.
you don't have to be afraid of testing things out. I think we could try 2 different build systems, and or files, systems. That's the wrong word. Files, and yeah, try it out. I don't know. I still like SDL for the simple check to see what key is pressed. I found that very hard with GLFW.
No, with GLFW it's easier.
Gilded,
So I don't know what you're on, bro.
you here?
Yes.
Yes, do you know why they insisted so much on not using GLFW or SDL?
I don't know, man.
Yeah, because I can't find like.
I've always just used GLFW. I didn't really use SDL.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't.
I don't know what they use. I think they really just want to make their own windowing system for some reason.
Yeah, that's there's hello, mom. He
If
hit
we're actually
you.
trying to make a game, I would say I'd probably say just use SDL because it has audio engine. It's the only thing.
No.
Yeah, that's what
don't-
I'm
don't
saying.
encourage him. No, bro. Still audio is so bad.
We're
You could
actually trying to make a game, though. That's the thing.
Yeah,
We're not-
Yes,
we should be
but
trying to make the game,
you're
not
not.
every damn system.
That's
Bro.
yeah.
All I'm saying is if you're gonna use SDL audio, it's gonna sound like you could have better audio just hiring an African child for every single person who's
No,
playing
but
the game.
that's still the
they can
We
point.
make
can
the sound
always
effects.
switch off the audio engine from SDL, but like
Yeah.
we can.
It's
I
just
think
to
we should just use it as a start
yeah, just to
because if we focus on making like the perfect thing, it's never gonna be finished.
yeah.
There's never gonna be
Yeah,
a point where we're
I
like,
agree
okay,
on
this is
that.
good enough.
But SDL is not the solution here.
Okay, then what is the solution?
GLFW.
But that doesn't play
Now
audio.
what about audio?
No, we'll just use a separate audio library.
Yeah, but what are we gonna use
SDL.
Probably port audio.
for audio?
Okay, that's fair.
Is that cross-platform?
What?
It's a
Audio
cross-platform.
cross-platform.
Yeah, it's cross-platform.
Okay. It's fine as long
Port
as there's
audio
something.
is.
Okay. Okay, but let's set it like that. We're using GLFW and port audio when we get to audio. And we're switching out GLFW when if Harold gets his window library done, because then, well, if we want more control for some reason, which I can't. Well, they will have to explain why, because I mean, I can't speak for them.
Yeah. I don't know why they don't own GLSW, because I know Lorenzo was using it. Maybe Ernesto doesn't like it. I don't know.
No,
Anyway,
I do understand though, it's fun to do
I'm
it
like,
starting from scratch, but I'm also like we should really try to go more towards using existing
I
stuff.
give up on Ask AI. I've been working on this for like 7 hours.
For wait, the rotors? Or
No, not rotors. I'm trying to get Cyteros to run.
ah,
Because if I can get it to run, then I can figure out why Ernesto can't get it to run. And then once we get that done, then we can start moving it over to the main project.
Oh yeah, you're talking about the renderer still, or
I don't really see how you're gonna move a renderer from one
it's not that
project
hard.
into another.
It's not that bad.
Okay.
cheesecake would also be.
I feel,
Hmm?
I almost feel bad for Lucas. He spent almost 150 days for some code that he just threw away in like 2 seconds.
No, it's okay.
But at least you learned something.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it's still, I think I will take a lot of the concept from there to here still, so it's okay. And I'm like more happy to be working with more people, because that just means that there's actually, well, more shit can get done faster, but we just need to kind of let go of making everything from scratch. I mean, we're still using Vulkan, but Vulkan I still find is just the way to go. As the video with Vulkan is good for indie developers, the video that we saw, I think it is still though. Like, you don't have to make the ultimate ray tracer for this thing, right? Don't tell me they have ray tracer in Cedarus.
No.
Okay. No, they have some next. They have
Ray
4.
tracing is overrated.
They have 4-dimensional ray tracer.
Of course.
It's
Okay, bam, 1 fork later and we have it. Now, DFW. Making this hot reloaded is gonna be so bad.
No. You don't hate the hot reload. Hot reloading is bay.
It's gonna turn to shit, I know it. That is slightly concerning, I guess. I don't know what it is with the LSP nowadays, man. It's just dying on me.
But you need to fetch or update, pull the latest if there has been updates.
Yeah, nah, it's just modern Zig LSP. It's tiring.
Tiring. Damn. Would be pretty
Well,
yikers.
there's an example here.
Imagine that, like, one day just Zig stops development. Fuck.
6 steps.
Oh, well, then that would be perfect, because then we can consider that stable.
Consider that
Yeah.
stable. For real. I think I would just go to C, maybe then, if it's actually stopped.
I think I would almost go to C also, but I really don't think it would die, so it's very unlikely. Also, can I say something mean?
Yes.
I mean, I guess I kind of say something mean usually, but you know, I don't want to be a hater or anything. I mean, I'll be a hater towards Lucas, but
Yeah.
you know, the windowing code that Ernesto and Lorenz made, or whatever, that wasn't the best code I've seen. And it is really hard to get like windowing right. I mean, if anyone, I knew that. No, knew.
Known that, yeah.
I can't speak.
That's okay.
But I mean,
Fuck you mean
that
if
was
you're
pretty.
overflow?
That was pretty rough.
Mm.
What?
This is the first time in my life I've made an integer overflow. Holy shit.
Damn, that's crazy.
I mean, I can understand that they want to. I'm a little bit still unsure about recreating the whole renderer when we already got a working one. I think that's the main point. We don't need a perfect one, but we'll get there. I think we'll take some time, but it's also for me just to learn a little bit. What's up, Jules? I think Jules cannot speak in.
Oh, oh damn, what? Bro gave him the perms. Jules deserves to speak.
Just here to
He's
observe.
such a chill guy.
Okay, he's just here to observe. But
Alright.
yeah, I think I also kind of need to practice a little bit of like when do we move forward with when is something just good enough. And I think, well, GLF is probably the greatest compromise in that sense.
Yeah.
GLFW, bruh. Cannot.
I think it's a good in between using your own and using something minimal at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then they can focus on the render. I wonder. Ernesto is the only one I wonder, like, he what is he gonna do now? Because it's like Lorenzo and Cheesecake are interested in working on the renderer. I'm interested in just adding a little bit of the debug feature because that was freaking awesome. Drawing just, but I think would like to change it also a little bit. Instead of just drawing lines, to actually draw quads that are represented as lines would be better.
Right.
Yeah. I will quickly just give a status update there in the to do deeper, go deeper. Ah, shit. Mm. Yeah, should I just go, what's the guesty? That would be pretty cool. But I think that would just, nah, would relate it good to the conversation there. Let's see. Let's see. Harold, wait, what was the thing? I'm getting so tired right now. What was the problem with, because he answered that they have windowing done already without needing dependencies.
No, they do have dependencies. XCB, Wayland clients. No dependencies, my app. It's not even I have removed those yet.
Hmm.
Yeah, well, we don't count macOS because macOS is always there.
Yeah. I think I misspelled that Wayland clients, but it's okay. It's supposed to be Wayland that hyphen client, but it's okay. Let's see. Only Windows is missing.
Ah, they don't even have Windows. I have Windows. Nah, that's alright. Alright, I got GFW working.
Alright, good. It's really like, because I don't know, I still find, I don't know, it's so weird. Are you all seriously still on Zig? Yeah, we're on Zig. Zig is the best. He left the call though, but I just find that it had so many more ifs with a, okay, I'm gonna type. More precisions and, I don't know, precisions, how the fuck do you use precisions? Precious, no! Precision. I don't know how to say precision. And things. We're wrong.
Um, well, I don't know, because you know how traditional game engines are built up, kinda,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, at least in like C++. I mean, you've probably watched a Cherno video, right?
Not the game engine series, but I have watched a few of his C videos actually. Doesn't he have
Yeah,
videos on
but
C programming? Or I remember something about that when I read about sockets. Well,
Alright,
he used the
maybe.
C library for
I don't know why
sockets.
you'd read. Yeah, I don't know why you would read about sockets, bro. I didn't read about sockets, and I know sockets. But alright. Well, I mean, maybe we should just abstract it away into an app structure.
You mean GLF,
Hmm?
the whole windowing thing?
Yeah, and then in the future it's gonna be really easy to just change it out.
Yeah, that we could do. I think that would. Let's see. I don't know, it's already done, and which is good.
Alright, I'm gonna go eat. I'll see you guys later.
All right.
Alright, see ya
We're probably
later.
gone just in a bit. I think we're going pretty good. All right, but
Yeah.
see ya.
See ya. Alright. Yeah.
It's wait. I don't know. It's
We
all
got
already.
GFW working.
Yeah.
By the way, Lucas, you feeling better or?
Oh, me? I guess I'm just so tired that I don't know how I actually feel in regards to that.
Alright, bro, go to bed. But I'll just like push this, I guess. Well, I can work on it a bit more. Just abstract it, I guess.
I need, yeah.
Well, actually, I can push it.
I need to find out a good answer to this because now I think we kind of need to just decide. Else we are just gonna be stuck here going back and forth between if we're gonna choose or not.
GLFW.
Yeah. Are you making a game? Yeah, I've been making one for a pretty long time. You can see that was the progress, and now we're kind of like completely removed from a clean slate because we are six people now instead of just me. So we are doing still the same game, but now that I got more, will you put it on Steam? Yes, it will be on Steam, I think.
What is wrong with Firefox, bro? Why do they sponsor the things here? Bro, I don't want Temu. What is this?
Yeah,
Hotels.com, bro. I never go outside. What is this?
that's pretty much the.
Sponsored. My ass.
I just need to figure out now how do we agree and move forward on things. So a team of 6 Siggers, yes, that's who we are.
Well, I don't know about that. It's more like 2 Siggers. Actually, no, I'd say like 3 Siggers and then a bunch of half Siggers.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
we might get T-Chef though with something C stuff maybe.
Everyone knows that the more people on the project, the better it will get, right?
Yes.
Right, yeah. Not like any like project managers or project leads or whatever.
No, but yeah, I think I will hit the bed now and
Yeah.
sleep.
I'll make a PR, but you can accept it in the morning or whatever. It's no problem.
Yeah. All right. How many people are watching? Just me thinking too much. There's like 2, 3. Okay. Well, that will be it. Thank you for joining. And are there things about Zig you didn't like? I will answer that next that stream. Alright. I'm gonna go sleep now.
Lucas doesn't like Zig at all.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah.
Alright, good night. Bye bye.
Good night, bye bye.